Who is this? Who is this?
Nia.
Nia. Wow.
Nia, let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
The Steamies of Sodor Christmas Hunt, and this is day 2. Again, let me welcome you to Zizah's PlayStation.
It's called the Push Along Sodor Steamies. There you have it. There are 10 pieces from the Thomas and Friends series, and so what we plan to do is just to do 10 days of Christmas. And so each day we'll have him search for one somewhere around the house or in the yard.
You know, we have to choose another Steamy. So, who should we choose? I'm thinking let's go with Nia. Now, before we go hiding her in the backyard, let me tell you a little bit more about her. Nia is an orange tank engine from Kenya who befriended and accompanied Thomas on his journey around the world. She is now a permanent resident on the North Western Railway and a member of the STEAM team. She was rewarded with a job of helping out the Sodor Animal Park regularly after succeeding in transporting a stubborn elephant there. Now, Nia is Steamy number 18, so let's go hunting for Nia.
Who is this?
Nia.
Nia. Wow.
Do you want Nia?
Who is it? What's her name?
His name is Rebecca.
That's Rebecca. And who's the red one?
His name's Victor.
Really?
Let's go. Let's go.
What's in the box? What's in the box? Let me see. Oh, there's nothing. Okay. Oh, let's try that one. Right here. Look at this right here. What's in here? Is there something in there? Oh, there's nothing. Let's see. Let's search. What are we looking for? We're looking for Nia, right? Oh, I see something. What's in the tree? Do you see it? What's that? Open it.
Oh no, where you go? No. Nia.
Nia. Okay, so you're gonna put Nia with the rest of your.
Until thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Pray until thy kingdom come. Pray until thy kingdom come, thy will be done.
If you like what you saw, please let us know by giving us a little like and subscribe and share. And of course, tell us what you think about the content in the comment section. We thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.